In this video, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite tools when I'm doing some keyword research or doing research for things like online courses, books, and articles. So as you can see on your screen, there's this old fellow with a beard who's looking very impatient with me at the moment, glaring at me from time to time and telling me to do something. So what happens is you can just enter a box in here, whatever your keyword is, and it will look for questions for you. So let's say I want to figure out what are people looking for relating to task management, which would be a good one for me to search for. And I click on Get Questions. Now you see it's working. There's some things moving around here, and we'll have to give them a moment in order to get ready. So right now it's retrieving the data. So here it's found 38 questions relating to task management. If we scroll down, it says which task management app, how to improve task management, how to task management, what are task management methods, why task management is important, so on. So it's using words like how, can, will, which, to come up with some questions, some ideas. What is Asana task management? What is online task management system? So this gives you ideas as far as what you could include in your online course or your article for your blog, what kinds of things might be asked. Microsoft, Zoho, so there's a lot of different questions here. And you can export these so that you can add them to a list, export them as CSV. And that's not all it gives you. So now it's showing you some prepositions. So task management for Slack, task management for law firms, task management for small teams, task management for managers, task management for Gmail, etc. So, this is some really intriguing ideas. It gives you ideas for articles, how you might want to do things, what kinds of questions you might want to ask. So it's a phenomenal tool. 55 comparisons, task management versus workflow, task management versus time management, task management versus project management, etc. So now it's going the versus and the and or like, so it's giving you just a ton of different ideas here. Alphabetical, it's showing you some different, keywords, sorted by alphabet, task management board, how many searches a month, task management best practices, for example. So as you can see, it is an absolute rich source of ideas for your content, for creativity, for search engines, for task management, etc. So this isn't my only SEO or keyword tool. I usually couple this with a good, keyword search tool such as KW Finder, but it's a phenomenal tool. I use this one weekly, every week whenever I'm coming up with content, I use this. So it's a fantastic tool. I highly recommend it. Thanks for listening. Please hit the like and subscribe button to encourage me to create more videos like this.